How to make a choice. Hello! Today we are going to talk about making choices. Choices? Yes, choices. Every day we are asked to make choices at school, at home, even outside. We make choices about what to eat, apple or banana. We make choices about what to read, graphic novel or informational text. We even make choices to explain character traits: helpful, brave, sneaky, scared. Sometimes making a choice is easy. It's as easy as this or that. Here we go. So you can get with this or that. Look at okay, ranch sauce or barbecue. Hey, get it, Mr. Adamson. Bacon or sausage? Sausage. Hey, get it, Mr. Adamson. Pokemon or Angry Birds? Angry Birds. Sometimes making a choice is more challenging. What do you mean? How is it hard to make a choice? There might be times when there are many choices for us. Think about word work time. You can do word hunt. Use your Read to Self book or another source of print to locate your word work words. Find at least one word from each sort. You could do a speed sort. Have someone in your group time read to you. You can sort and then explain the sort. You could even do charades. Act out your words to a partner, and the partner guesses the word from the sort. Ah! There are so many choices. How do I choose? Where do I even begin? Stop. Don't panic. This is what I'll do when I feel like there are so many choices. First, I will take a look at my list of choices. I will read through my list of choices. Second, I will think about those choices on my list. I will ask myself, how will I feel if I make that choice? Third, I will ask myself, what will be hard about making this choice? After asking myself those questions, I will tell myself, I've got it. This is the right choice for me. I will say to myself, now I'm going to get started. I might even keep thinking, I've got this. Yes, I've got this. Yes, I've got this 'cause I'm awesome. I'll keep working. I'll keep telling myself, I've got this. Yep, I've got this. I'm awesome 'cause I've got this. Take a look at this. We've all made our choices. We've got this. Sometimes making a choice is easy. It's as easy as this or that. Sometimes making a choice is a little bit more challenging. Now I know that when I am stuck or not sure how to make a choice, I will ask myself, how will I feel if I make this choice? What will be hard about making this choice? I'll make my decision. I'll stick with my decision. I will keep reminding myself that I've got this. That's the Chegwin way to make a choice.